Hello everyone, I'm Ankit Bharadwaj from Atom Up Classes and back again after a long time on YouTube. Yep, I know it's been several weeks, I think around 2 months since I posted my last video. But there have been some significant developments happening behind the scenes. That's the reason why I wasn't here. So the main reason was that after I started posting on YouTube, like I told you in my earlier videos as well, that I was forced into YouTube by my students. Whatever the reason was, I told you already, and I got such an overwhelming response from everyone, and it became hard for me to tackle all the students. I was spending around half an hour to cater to one inquiry as well. I was spending more time on the admin work instead of teaching. As a tutor, I'm a PTE coach, right? So I was doing what I'm supposed to do. I was coaching people. So I was busy coaching. I had no time left for YouTube at all. This is what amuses me when all these other YouTube channels, yeah, they are spending most of the time only YouTube. So when people come from their coaching to my coaching, they tell me, "Sir, we went over there, and that guy is never coming there for giving any class." So, because that person is not coaching, man. He's making YouTube videos. Someone else is coaching over there. So I'm the only one who is handling everything over here. So that's the reason why I wasn't available. And to streamline everything, I've been building this website of my own, atomwebclasses.com. It's live now. That's the reason I have been collecting so many results also till now, that so many students scored such amazing marks, such amazing results are there. They went from such a low score to such a high score, 90s easily as well. You'll see, I'll show you a few things. And still I couldn't post it because I knew that if I post it, I didn't know it, but yeah, I expected it, that if I post it, then maybe the same thing will repeat, because the real coaching is very rare these days. And when people do see some genuine person teaching in the correct manner, the way that they can understand, of course, they do value it. And I wasn't ready to accept so many new students till now. Now I'm ready. I've streamlined everything. So that's the reason I haven't posted any results as well. I've only in my Telegram group I have been posting these things. Uh, Now I've prepared everything. Now it's all streamlined. Now I will reveal all those results. Also, I have so many interviews from the past 2 months. You only saw one interview with Mehek that I recorded earlier. Most of you must have seen that. I have so many other videos as well now. You'll see. Very frequently, I'll start. Now I just have to edit them and post them. Nothing else. But yeah, to lay down the foundation was very important. So I'll show you the website. Let's have a quick look. And I've built this website from the scratch, right? I'm a kind of person who had no idea. I didn't even know, like for 2 months ago, I didn't even know what is a hosting. What is a shared hosting? What is a VPS? I had only heard about something called as WordPress or Hostinger or Elementor, all these things. Oh, what do they do? How to do all these things? I had barely any idea. So I learned everything from scratch. I tried so many other services as well. So this website is not like a replacement for APUni or Alpha PD. It's not that sort of thing, right? This is something to reduce my admin work. Uh, all of my courses, they were earlier scattered around on Google Drive. Still, still, I was getting such an amazing response and such amazing results from all of my students. Everyone was really happy with those as well. I have improved it even further. Um, yeah, so now it's like a Udemy sort of format. So it's everything going to be on the website. You can log in, register, enroll. You can purchase the courses directly. So it was very important. I was taking so much time to build everything correctly, because it's very important to secure everything. Uh, should be secured. The payment methodology, the payment gateways, Razorpay is handling all the payments, international payments working well, UPIs, Indian cards, everything is seamless now. No issues anywhere. So you can just come over here, check what do you want. You can straight away send me your inquiry. You can fill the form over here. I'll show you a few things. So right, so this is the home page, of course. Yes, you can press this button and you can fill the detailed inquiry form. So I've included all the questions that I would usually ask to any student. Which exam are you giving? When is your exam date? Have you given it earlier? How many attempts have you given earlier? What was the previous result? How much time do you have? before your next exam, how much hours you can spend for self-study, all those sort of things. Within a few seconds, now I can decide all of those things. I mean, I can analyze those things within a few things, and I can tell you which course you should enroll into. There are different coachings that are available, different durations, all those things, one-on-one and self-study type. You only watch the courses. I'm getting amazing results everywhere. People coming for one-on-one, people watching only the recorded videos. Everyone is going from here to here. It's like day and night difference, because the biggest difference is it's all structured now. I'm yet to see anything structured till now. So this is what is missing in this field. This is why I went full time into PD. That there is no structure being followed around. Everything is scattered around. Everything is haywire. People have no idea what to do, how to do. It's like a mystery. I've solved that mystery. That's the reason everyone is getting 90 in my PD coaching. 90 in writing. Almost everyone is getting it. Above 80, or everyone is above 80. Not everyone. I would say like 80% of the students. So that you see the passing percentage and the high scoring percentage in my coaching is around 60 to 70% right now. Usually it is 1%, maybe 2%. Out of 1,000 students, they will give you 2 interviews, 2 results, 3 results. I don't know what sort of the thing is happening. To me, it is unheard of, this sort of passing percentage, because I'm just attacking the fundamentals. That's the only thing that I'm doing right now. You can fill this form within a few seconds. You'll receive the confirmation email as well. I'll receive that you have filled the form. I can check everything, and then I can guide you accordingly. Then you can decide what you want. To see the courses as well, you will have to fill the pricing form. It's a short form, so I at least know that, are you really interested into it or not? Are you just randomly coming here and just filling something? I'm not displaying it on the web, on the YouTube right now, or whichever medium this is. This will be going in Instagram, TikTok, everywhere, wherever it is. I'm not displaying it right now because maybe the prices will change in the future. Then you'll quote me, look at that video you posted in December 2025. Over there, the prices are like this. What happened now? So because the time happened now. What else can happen? With time, you have to evolve. This is what happened. So I'm not going to reveal the prices of all the packages. You can go over there. You can have a look. What is happening right now? You want to contact me? I've given everything on one page only. Right now, you can see all these mediums that are available to contact me. I have created the TikTok profile and Instagram. Not active there yet. But I will start posting, of course, now that things are streamlined. So you just have to click the page. So this is the Seychelles number, right? So you can see on the home page, it's me and my wife only who are handling everything. It's our Seychelles number. We are in Seychelles right now. We will be here for another 1.5 years at least. So yeah, you click this button, you can straight away go to WhatsApp. This one, straight away Instagram, straight away all these things. It's all programmed already. Right, so I'll show you a test account. How do the courses look like if you register? I'll show you one self-study course, where all the study material is there, how it is organized. So I'll quickly log in, hide the details. What I've done is I've limited the number of logins you can make. So I've limited 2 logins. Usually I think two are more than enough. You have 1 login on your laptop, 1 login on your phone. You can study both the things together. So suppose this is a test student and you're logged in. You'll see everything over here. Any courses that you are enrolled into. So this guy is enrolled in self-study complete course, right? It's all the study material, the video lectures, and the PDF files. Notes, everything available in this course, so you can see how much is completed. And you click the course, you can continue wherever you stopped, you can continue learning from there. And over here, this is the study material available, right? This is a list of mandatory videos and notes that you should go through definitely before you start. Then you'll see the essays. Everything related to essays. I have solved all the essays individually, and then now it's like a walk in a park for everyone to solve the essays. Everything is solved. I've given 5 different introductions for each essay. These are all the prediction file questions, right? I've clubbed them together into different. So I'll make a separate video about the writing course, so you'll have a good idea. It's all logged in a sequential manner. Unless you complete a few things, you cannot open the next one. So I want you to go in a certain manner. That's the reason why it's here. Notes are here. Then summarize written text. I've solved multiple questions as well. This is the duration of each lecture, right? So it's around, I think it's 25 hours long, but this is excluding all the reading classes that I have conducted. Reading classes are already around 50 hours, 80 hours, I think. But I'm not counting that in here. I'll make a separate section for the reading classes. No one has time to watch those things. So what I'll do is I'll make like 10 minutes long clippings for those, so all the important concepts. And I'll show you how it looks like when something is logged. Suppose you start from introduction lecture, you watch, then these two will open. And now if I go for grammar lecture, grammar lecture won't open straight away. It will say you have to finish this thing first. I've given my samples as well. My speaking samples for multiple questions, multiple reading concepts. This will keep becoming larger and larger. The library will become huge very soon. The main motive for me to launch this thing was to launch a working product in a secured manner. So everyone can work in a flawless manner. I can live peacefully and you can learn peacefully as well. So we can go back to the homepage, and what I'll show you is a few results. Yeah, you can go to the website and see all these things. Yeah, from 52 to 90, this was Harpreet. Satya got CLB9 in his PTE core. A few hours. All these guys are getting only a few hours of coaching. I have interviews of each of these, right? Don't worry about it. I'll start posting them. They are all recorded. All these interviews I'll post. How they studied, what was their methodology, what sort of questions they got, everything will be explained. There's so many other results as well. I'm not posting everything on the website. Before I leave and before I start posting the other videos, a quick reminder that the website is live. Telegram group is also there. It's the free Telegram group. I keep posting a lot of stuff over there as well. Links for everything in the description now. You can go there, you can check, you can contact me as well. The fastest way to contact me would be through the website. Please go there. You don't want to register, up to you, of course. Why? There's no compulsion to register. If you let me know through that detailed form, that will be the fastest way for me to assist you. Otherwise, I'm busy with the classes. I have so many students, so many classes to take care of, and I'm offering one-on-one classes to everyone. Apart from those who are buying only the recorded courses, everyone else I'm giving one-on-one classes. There's nothing like a group class, only group class. There are group classes, but it's not limited. The people are not limited to only group class. I do need to ensure that everyone is getting fixed at a personal level, because every student is different. Everyone has a different methodology that needs to be applied to them to fix them, right? So for that, few sessions of one-on-one are definitely necessary. And that's the reason you see all these amazing results. And I'm busy with those classes. There's no one else who is helping us. It's just me, and of course, probably my father will be roped in as well. He will be helping with the management side. But it's just right now, it's just me and my wife, because my father is not here with me right now. I'm in Seychelles, he's in India. So it's easy for me to call my wife and, hey, Ankita, just come here and have a look. This thing needs to be done, all those things. We can communicate quickly. To communicate with my father, do all those things, it can take time. So eventually that will be done as well. But yeah, right now it's just two of us. Maybe it'll become 3 people managing this thing. So that's the fastest way to contact me. Right? You either contact me or my wife. One of us will answer your queries. But yeah, which program to join, what is your situation, that will be, of course, handled by me. Everything is taught by me. There is no one else who is coaching over here. I'm the only one who is controlling all the coaching. I don't like this concept that you come for Ankit's coaching and someone else is coming here to teach you. That sort of deception is already happening everywhere else. Not everywhere else. I would say 80% of the places. I don't do that. I don't like that. That's the whole point of starting Atom Web classes. Right, so please consider that. That's the reason I'm telling you that the fastest way to approach me is through filling this detailed form. Get free guidance from Ankit. You fill everything, whatever is there in the form, and you can very quickly get your situation explained to me, and I can very quickly get back to you. And then you can start learning as soon as possible. Everything will be automated. There's no reason to contact me, go for Remitly or UPI. All those things can be done over here directly. Alright, so this is it for this video, and very soon you'll see other videos being posted in the channel as well. And I'll see you soon in another video. All the best for your exam.